So let's see what is boxing, unboxing, autoboxing, and auto-unboxing in Java. So suppose we have an integer, suppose we have an int, which is a primitive type, which has a value of 20. So in boxing, we will convert that primitive type into an corresponding wrapper class object. So here, in this example, the int value is converted to this integer object. Similarly, in unboxing, we will extract the primitive value from the corresponding wrapper class. So in this example, we will extract the int value from the wrapper class object. Similarly, in autoboxing, when the compiler sees something like this, then it will automatically translate it internally as follows. That means the compiler will instruct that please create an object an object of that wrapper class, that is object of integer, and populate it with this value at runtime. Similarly, in Autounboxing, the wrapper class object has this primitive value, and so that primitive value is extracted from that wrapper class object, and it is assigned to this primitive variable. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.